This is PAI's Mack MP8 and Volvo D13 cylinder kit. The PAI part number for this cylinder kit is 801180, which directly replaces OEM number 212-09650. This kit comes equipped with PAI's quality liner, pre-assembled piston with pin and retainer rings, seals, piston rings, and lubricant. Our piston rings are tested for proper tension to ensure a proper and secure fit. A printed arrow is specifically marked on the piston head. During installation, be sure that the arrow is oriented towards the front of the engine. All PAI liners include an optimized crosshatch design which is measured and controlled for angle, profile, and depth. This kit also includes the liner seals with the correct seal lubricant, allowing for a proper installation every time. The cylinder kit comes with PAI's 2-year warranty.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.